Okay, so I was working on a globe and I was looking through this really cool basket of IOD scraps. Save them all. I flip the camera and show you what I did. All right, so started with this and that went all the way around. I added lemons. These kind of filled in some great space. Hey Charis, what are you doing?
I am painting some flowers on the window.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm on my first coat right now. Obviously, I'll do all around the border. It's gonna say the website at the bottom.
Okay.
And then once that's dry, I'll go over it all again. And then I'll go over it a third time, but with big top so that it doesn't get rained off. Hi, what are you working on?
I'm making an ugly chair. I'm turning it, I'm like a fairy chair godmother. I'm turning it into a princess. I guess it'd actually be like a Mexican princess because we're gonna put a Mexican blanket. You just take this off and you use a stapler, a staple gun, and staple your new fabric and you're good to go. This is my favorite distressing trick. This is just like a baby wipe. I'm just hitting the corners where you might see wear naturally happen, and it just shows just a little peekaboo of the wood underneath.
Good luck.
See you later.
Bailey, are you an employee? Oh, hi. What are you doing? Hi. Hello. Say hi to everyone. Do you love the shipwreck crew? Bailey, do you love the shipwreck crew? Where are they? Where are they? They're all across the world, Bailey. So this is how far Charis got on the window painting. Look how good it looks. And Grandpa did this. Hi guys. We just got these new products in and I thought it would be so fun to just show you. Look how cute. This is a necklace. It's a little mermaid charm on it. It has the adjusty clip things, but it's a little locket. See, it opens up. And look at this cute bag.
Who are you showing?
You can't show them. This can be in the new video.
Sorry. We got some new bags.
Now what if you guys saw on her live? Oh my gosh. Look at these bags though. Bags.
What do you want to know?
I want to know what's your deepest secret.
This.
What happened to the floor?
I'm trying to organize and get everything into this shelf.
What are you doing?
I'm rearranging my booth.
Do you like it?
I do.
Tell me about, like, you cut your own
Well,
shelves.
don't show this one because that one's not good yet.
But it's not bad.
I cut my own shelves. I used my grandpa's wood, what is it called? Saw cutter thing. It's like a handheld one though, so it was pretty easy. And then we mounted this thing on this mirror, and then I started hanging all the earrings so that you can see everything better.
I think it looks super pretty. My only suggestion would be to find a new place for these because I feel like those are fighting for attention with the earrings. Leave that space blank and see how the earrings just kind of stand out more. You thought of the concept.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You're like learning from somebody who
I
might...
know, I wonder who I'm learning from.
What is that you're standing on?
My new rug!
It's so
Doesn't it
cute.
look so good?
Yes. Oh, and who's that?
What do you think? You like my rug?
Bailey, what are you doing?
Get him.
Are you watching? Are you keeping guard out there? There's somebody outside doing some construction. Bailey's making sure that they don't get out of line. Right, Bailey? Right? Right, Bailey? Do you hear him? Go get him. Go get him. What's happening? What's happening? Go check it out. Go check it out. Look. What are they doing?
Grandpa, look! We are about to hang this window. It's very heavy.
Is that about where you want it?
Yeah. Yep.
Have you both got?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay.
Whoa, don't what? You don't. Here, you come over here. I have to let go. What? Where are you going? Go ahead. Debi, where are you looking right now?
Okay. You can let go.
Is that strong enough to
Woo!
Is that strong enough to
first one up.
Hey friends, this is Crystal Molina. I wanted to do our shipping shout outs. I just did a live with Debbie today and we went over the new Jamie Ray vintage decoupage papers. They're so delicious. We love them all. And right after the live, our friend Miss Nancy in California ordered 2 sheets of this beautiful paper. Comes folded up in 4s, but don't worry, once you open it up and start working with it, the folds come out, or you can get super fancy and do the iron-on method for decoupage. Can't wait to see what you create with it. So show us a picture. Okay. Who ordered all this?
What are you doing?
I am painting this massive sign.
Look at this.
I know, it takes up the whole workspace. It's gonna go right up there. It's gonna be one of the first things you see when you come in. I'm going to be painting it with lots of flowers, kind of in the style of our business card, with the black and white and the color. And then I'm gonna put in the middle our website so that everyone can see when they walk in.
I think that will be better than what's on it now. Yeah, we don't need no old website. We need the new one. All right, let's see how it comes along.
Alrighty, so it's all white now. So I'm gonna start painting some flowers on in black. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go over it with the colors.
Right guys, this is how my booth is coming along. Got some shelving up from Grandpa for my purses, my new jewelry display. Yay! Look how fun.
So now I have finished the black outlines of all these flowers. And I'm gonna be going kind of over it in colors, but only some of it. It's gonna be a mix of the black and white flowers and then fully colorful ones. So now I just gotta decide on the colors.
I'm so excited. It's looking so good, you guys. I give Charis like an inspiration photo and she always takes it to the next level. Super excited. Yay.
Thanks everyone so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video to see how Charis's sign came out. Bye!